Have you ever considered the benefits of drinking baking soda before bed? This simple household ingredient might just be the secret to better health. In this video, we'll reveal the surprising truth about the benefits of drinking baking soda at night. From improved digestion and reduced acid reflux to better sleep and detoxification, you'll be amazed at what this common kitchen staple can do for your well-being. Stay with us to uncover how this easy habit can transform your health. Drinking baking soda before bed offers a multitude of health benefits that can significantly enhance your quality of life. One of the primary advantages is improved digestion. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, reducing acid reflux and heartburn, allowing you to sleep more comfortably. Baking soda also aids in detoxification by helping your body eliminate toxins more effectively. This simple drink can boost kidney function, assisting in the removal of waste from your bloodstream. Furthermore, it can improve respiratory health by breaking down mucus and clearing congestion. Regular consumption of baking soda water can also support healthy skin by reducing acidity and promoting a more balanced internal environment. With these numerous benefits, incorporating baking soda into your nightly routine can lead to significant health improvements. Imagine the transformation in your health by simply drinking baking soda before bed. Picture yourself free from the discomfort of acid reflux and heartburn, enjoying a peaceful and restful sleep every night. Envision the benefits of balanced pH levels in your body, reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Feel the detoxifying effects as your body efficiently eliminates toxins, improving kidney function and enhancing your body's ability to cleanse itself. Think about the improvement in your respiratory health, breathing easily with clear airways and less congestion. Visualize the boost to your skin health, with a more balanced internal environment leading to clearer, healthier skin. The benefits of drinking baking soda at night are truly remarkable, offering a simple yet powerful way to improve your health and well-being. This easy addition to your nightly routine can make a significant difference in how you feel every day. Ready to experience the incredible benefits of drinking baking soda before bed? Start by mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it each night. Notice the improvements in your digestion, sleep, and overall well-being. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences with baking soda or any questions you might have. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's embark on this health journey together.